to hop on and show you real quick a kit from Keep It Simple called Best Day Ever Camera Mini Album. This is adorable. And it was so fun to put together. It has all the pieces already cut for you. I've only added a few things. I added the ribbon, and these are all Keep It Simple ribbons. And then it has everything to make the shaker pocket, which is super cute. A camera with the Mickey head. And then it comes with lots of die cuts. I did add the star and the circle hole reinforcers. And to make the star, I punched a hole with just a regular hole punch, and then I used a small star punch to punch with the circle in the middle. So here's the first page, place for journaling. I did add a little bit of low profile 1mm foam adhesive just to give it some dimension. I added some hearts and stars and they're all from Keep It Simple. And then here is one that you fold up. And I've got a couple of photos in there. And then I made a little bitty flag, and I am going to have a video where I show how to make these, a separate video. Then I just made its little string. It was from some twine. Here's another fold up. Cute, cute. And then like this die cut could have been over here so you'd have room for more journaling. It's really what when you're making your album, what you need it to be, so you can make it what works for you. And then here's an actual little pocket. Another photo and a ticket. And then the back has Best Day Ever. And I have stars, enamel dots, enamel stars, but I have clear ones, and it's really hard to tell probably in the video, but they are there. Anyway, I had a lot of fun making this, and so there are different ones, and I guess I don't have them here in my room with me, but there's a happy birthday tag one. There is another camera one with the collection called Wonder, which is a travel collection, and it's one of my favorite collections from Keep It Simple. And then there is maybe another one. These are going to be available online, and then they will also be available at the Keep It Simple booth at the Stamp and Scrapbook Expos, and they're going to have a whole area of the booth where you can make these while you're there. So that is fun. So if you have any questions, just drop them down below, and thank you so much for stopping by. Bye-bye.